Hello, good morning. Today we will see about Salesforce CPQ Demo. At that time, it was belonging to the Salesforce. The Salesforce CPQ is a special managed package. You know about the packages. I will give the intro about the packages. Salesforce is a platform you can cloudly operate your SaaS software as a service. Okay. As we have an app store and a play store in our mobile, in Salesforce also we have an app exchange. We can install external packages. It reduces our time of building an entire tool from the scratch. Replacement of that, we can install the existing packages. Some other they published. Okay. It was before it was a app test CPQ. Currently, it was owned by the Salesforce and it was officially from Salesforce package. The name is Salesforce CPQ. It's all about me. I have completed multiple Salesforce certified and trial rangers. I am expert on Salesforce CPQ and Einstein Analytics, currently called Tableau CRM, certified administrator consultant and sales cloud consultant, platform developer consultant, and platform app builder. Okay, this is all about me. Now let's get started about what we are seeing this today's demo. First of all, before learning everything, we need to understand what we are learning and why we are learning, right? As we are today learning about the CPQ, I will explain about what is CPQ, why we are using CPQ, and why we are learning here CPQ. Also, it's good to get your request on what you are expecting on learning the CPQ and what you want to know about the CPQ. Okay. Before that, even if you are already know about the Salesforce, you might be interested on Salesforce administrator. It will be easy. Then also, or else also we can manage with Salesforce CPQ. We can directly learn it from. In side by side, I also include some steps of both Salesforce administrator. Okay. Today we can discuss about what is CPQ and the product configurations, and there is a separate product called the subscription product and price route. We have a lot of topics in CPQ. For today's demo, we just cover these three main topics. Okay, I go to the next slide. Yeah. Now, firstly, we want to know what is CPQ. Okay. CPQ is, as I said, it was a managed package developed by the Salesforce. The name denotes CPQ. The C denotes configure and the P denotes pricing and quote. It shows like it involves the entire sales process from getting the opportunity and make it closer. Otherwise, we can say it like quote to cash process. Okay. The main objective of every sales process is we have to sell something and getting the pricing and have it everything is in our accountable. Okay. The main tool of CPQ is done using this. First, the word is configure. As we deep down, the configure name is configuring a product. What is configuring the product? For example, in our org, we have multiple products and for example, in our organization, we are sending some electronics products like iPhones, laptops, computers, and other softwares, subscription products we are selling like that. Okay, but not every sales rep have remember on what we have to add, what we have not to add as a combination. For example, I want to sell my iPhone. Okay, along with that, I have to add a charger adapter and then charger cable, right? For this kind of scenarios, I have to sell a combination of lightning cable only, not about other Android chargers, right? It will make some manual errors, sending a wrong data to the customer. Okay, but sales rep is not aware on all that product, so we can customize it only displaying the particular product only for this kind of product. We can configuring this kind of scenarios using the configuring product. Okay. Also, the name is pricing. Yeah, pricing may be different on different scenarios. Like if one of the customers buying a wholesale price, or one of the customers are your regular customers, or they are buying multiple products at the same time, we have to provide some discount for them, right? This kind of scenarios, we have some calculations for pricing. That time also, if sales rep are directly providing a discount, there will be a cost of manual error. Okay. Also, we have to restrict them, right? Or else sales rep can directly give a 50% or 80% discount from their side. We won't allow it. If I already pre-built some automations in CPQ to restrict, if it was a customer, they are buying this quantity of things, we just applied a 20% discount for this line item. Line items is just a product. For this product, they are providing 20%. The updated on backend on specific condition we are doing is in pricing. And then the final step of the all the products are added, products are configured, and the pricings are calculated. The ultimate result will be the quoting, right? We need to give that customer with the right code because it's the source of truth. They only using that the code template and code document before making a order. In code template, I mean in code document, we are generating a PDF of code. It might want to include our terms and conditions and logo of it and what are all the columns we need to show. Like I want to show number of discount, product code, quantity, and net price and total price. This wise, sometimes I have provided additional discount whenever only the discount provided. That time only I want to show that column of discount, or else I no need to display it, right? Because it will be a blank. In quoting process, we can also customize that kind of thing, like some condition basis rendering. One, if the code, if discount is provided, then only show this column. If not provided, don't show this column. This kind of condition based rendering we can do it in code template and quoting processing. Okay. And then there are two. Okay. Next, we are back to the product configuration side. Now we see with this the demo. Before that, I will show you how to get this source org for this. In Salesforce, they are helping to learn learn many things without cost. We have so many open source writers for learning. Also, getting a demo or free without any license. Okay, here is a URL of it. Just I already have account. For your reference, I will show you how can we do this. See, this is the page we are getting a CPQ demo, or as the name is as CPQ. It was pre-built installed CPQ package in that, and some sample products also included with that. So it's easy to play with this org. You can customize whatever you want. You can edit whatever you want. It helps us to easily, because if we are manually creating the products one by one, it takes much time. There are so many use cases in CPQ. We are not losing our time on creating these products and all. Okay, so if we are clicking this demo, or it's surely free, and then when you are logging in this, we are getting more products. We can just configuring it and previewing it set code. It's easy for us. Okay, first thing is you just fill these names and email address of you, and then username is a unique for every Salesforce, or it's a unique for every Salesforce. So you have to provide like your name underscore CPQ at company name, or any name you can provide it. It's not a problem. Okay. And then once you are signed up, you are getting an email to activate it. By clicking that email, you can fix your password and you can log in. Now I will log in and show you how the Salesforce page looks like first. Yeah, I already logged in. This is my username and password. You can log in using login.salesforce.com. Okay. For dev login and production login, the URL is login.salesforce.com. If you are working in Sandbox in future, the Sandbox login is URL is like test.salesforce.com. Okay. Sometimes if you are feeling like some password is error, and showing some login errors. You need to check this. You are on login it or log dot Salesforce or test dot Salesforce. Now we are using login dot Salesforce. The username is what you have provided inside this box, and password is after you are verifying using this email. Okay. This is the setup page initially they are showing. Okay. First we have to start from this is the app launch. Okay. Here you can see the list of apps are available in Salesforce. As I said previously, there is already pre-installed Salesforce CPQ app. I will open it from here. If it not show it and stop, you can search using Salesforce CPQ. Now this is the home page of Salesforce CPQ org. Here you are getting this account and opportunities and other configurable tabs. Yeah, we will cover this and all in future. First, this is the home page of your Salesforce CPQ app. Okay. But I want to know about where it is installed and all setting up and configuring this package, right? Okay, this is the setup screen. This setup screen is won't visible to the end user or sales rep or anyone. This setup screen is only visible for a admin user. Okay, admin users only able to configure all kind of things, because if I provide this admin access to the all that user, they can easily update the configuration and changing that. They are playing our admin tools easily. So this button only visible to us. Okay. First, there is a installed package in our setup. Installed package. Okay. Now we have only one installed package. The name is Salesforce CPQ, and the version is this SBBQ. The every managed package is with the namespace of SBBQ. Sorry, they are unique namespace for each and every packages. For a CPQ, it will be SBBQ. Whenever in your org you are seeing the field name or API name with SBBQ, it's belonging to this package. Okay. Why it's sold as a managed package? There is a two types of packages. First one is managed package and unmanaged package. If the installed packages with this icon, this shows it was a managed. What is the managed? The managed packages are pre-built and bulked app. User won't able to edit this. It was installed, that's it. You can use that functionalities and features, but you can't customize or edit the pre-built app and app settings. Okay, this is the managed package. If you are installed as the unmanaged package, you can configure the pre-built code what developers provided. You can align the as per your needs. First one is we are installing this and then managing license. Now I have this installed package, but I need to decide which users are able to access this CPQ package, right? Because there is a license-based cost for CPQ. It was a paid app. So while you are running this in project, first thing we need to assign this license to the users who are all using this. You are all going to configure the Salesforce CPQ. Also, the sales rep also need this access. Okay, it was a developer sandbox. We are not able to see here on managed packages, managed license. If you are in production, any official enterprise, or you can click the managed license and assign to necessary user. Okay, then this is a just license assignment. We have one more thing to provide a access for users. That name is, you can search it in permission set. Yeah, permission set is a, here it is a list of permissions. Permissions means which object and fields we have a permissions before. There are categories and group in it. Just we are adding the user to the permissions. By the standard installation of CPQ, we are getting this kind of permission set. First one is Salesforce CPQ admin, the customer user. and user. Yeah, these are all the some CPQ permission set. I simply say how to find which permission given to which user. Okay. CPQ admin permission. As the name denotes, it was an admin permission who are all able to configure this CPQ. Like I want to create a product and arrange in the bundled products, and I am the configurator of the CPQ and admin of the CPQ. Based on the business requirements, I will be automating this. Open this permission set and assign it to your profile. In manage assignment, you can add your profile. Add assignment, and you can here you can see the list of users. You just select who is the admin, who are all the admins for CPQ. Then they only have the access to creating and customizing the admin activities of CPQ. Okay. And other than that, we have a customer user and partner user. These are all the limited functionalities permissions they are provided. They can't able to configure CPQ packages, but they can use this. For example, Salesforce CPQ admin is configured something. Okay. Anyhow, the sales rep is going to use. They are also involving of products and the codes and all, because these are all the objects of CPQ. So the sales rep we are need to assign in CPQ user. Okay. And there are limited functionalities for CPQ customers and partner. We didn't use often for customer and partner. We are mainly using CPQ admin and CPQ user. Likewise, we have opened this permission set and assigned this to sales rep using the manage assignment. Now the package is installed and permissions also provided. Now we have come back to our Salesforce CPQ. The first and foremost thing of CPQ, as I said, is configure product. Because we are selling a product, the product is fully structured, and what are all the products we are selling is more conscious on that. Okay. First, I will start with the demo of I want to sell something, right? For that, every base of selling is it's belonging to starting with account. Account object is denotes like for whom I am selling. This is like to corporate company's name. I want to sell this some product to BBM Tech Private Limited. I first created an account for it. Okay. In accounts tab, we can see what are all the accounts we already have. This is a list view. Once you are on recently viewed, it will be empty. If you want to see all accounts under this, you click on all accounts and see all the accounts. Okay. These are all sample accounts pre-built by Salesforce for our developer. Or I open, yeah, this was already created by me. This is the account, but there is no any contact person for this particular company. Okay. For that, I need to create a contact. In your related list, you can see the contact. Okay. For this account, I want to contact with some person. Here my contact, it's like some resource manager or product manager, who are all will be the primary contact for this account. We can create it from there. Okay, by just clicking on new button. Yeah, here you can add a contact, the name of the user, and then account is belonging to, and the date of birth. Email is good to require because it helps us to sending a code in future. Okay. Now this is the way of creating a contact. Not all the fields are required, but whatever the fields you can need, you can fill it out here. I already created one contact for Jakin Gupta with email of this. Okay, now I have account and contact. The opportunity is a key for a Salesforce selling. What is opportunities? Opportunities is a deal. Okay, here is our deal start. For example, I have created, I am creating a new opportunity belonging to this account. Okay. Opportunity, as I said, it was a deal. Opportunity sale one. This is the first sale for them. Okay. Okay. These are all the required fields for creating the opportunity. Here is the estimated close date. Close date. What is close date? Close date is we are creating a code and providing a documents and getting approval and ordering. How long it takes? Like it will take say 6 months from today. Okay, this is the close date currently I have provided. Okay, and stage for the initial stage of the opportunity for this still is currently in prospecting. Now I provided a stage. It's currently in prospecting. On every sales process, we are tracking using this stage field. First, initially, they are asking for, they are reaching for, I need some product, and then need some analysis and value of profit negotiation. This kind of products are happening. That point of time, we have to do this updating of stages. Okay. Here is a type. The opportunity is new customer for. I am just saving on this. Okay. As I said, it's just an opportunity is denoted as a process. The first sales process is started. Now we started creating a quoting for this opportunity. The quoting is started from there is a button new quote to create a quote for this opportunity. Okay. In this quote, these are all not a required field, but they are asking for some inputs you can provide. Subscription term. What is subscription term? The subscription term is denoted as if I am selling some subscription product, I go back to the slide and show what is subscription product. Okay. Yeah. Subscription products are run as a certain period of time. For example, in our organization, I am selling some antivirus software. For this, I need to mention how long this expiry date, like 12 months or 24 months or something. But I need to aware of what will be the format of the subscription date. It might be a day or month. How can I determine? Sometimes users are calculating this based on some dates or based on some month. Here we can see configuring of this packing. I will show this. In this is a setup window. As I said, it's only for admin installed packages. Yeah, here you can see the configure button. I am configuring something regarding this package. Okay. Whenever the use cases are comes in, I will explain this wherever needed. Currently, we have a needed of about knowing this subscription. Yeah. Okay. Now, while creating new code, it shows a subscription theme, right? Now I will show you where I will it's belonging to subscription. Here I mentioned that subscription term unit as month. Depends on every business case, it will make varies. They are made calculated based on days because there is some case they are providing for a 10 days of subscription or based on month base. Now I will make it as a month. So on creating this Opportunity it comes for a month. Okay. Now I created for 12 months. Starter. Start date is not required. I just make it as 12 and creating a new code. Now this is a opportunity and account name. Here this pan is called related list pan. What are all the content related to this opportunity? You can see on this right side pan. I have created one new code, but nothing products are added yet. Okay. Up to this, these are all the common functionalities of selling process. Now, now we can see the power of the CPQ, how we are adding this product. Okay. Now it is just an empty code. I just click an edit line. Edit line is a button we are widely used to adding the products to this code. Okay. Choose a price book. Yeah. What is price book? We have a multiple products, but sometimes we have a use case like the pricing may be different for each user. For example, if you are go for a iPlanet, there is a special discount for a college student, right? That time I have a two price book, right? For every product, I have a two price book. For college students, this product pricing is 20% discount than original amount, right? So the every product should have any one of the price book linked to that. The price book is only holds the pricing of that particular product. I will show the price book. Here we are not having any custom price book, so it won't show anything. Okay. If you are trying to create a new price book name for Gov college student. Okay. Price book is active, then only we can add the product. Now I have created a price book. Price book entries is the we need to add the product, right? For which product and which amount will be displayed. Now I have a 10-inch laptop with hardware cap with $150 as their list price. But for college student, I want to provide it for $100. I just choose this product list price. I just updated with $100. Okay. Now I added the one price book with one product. Now I go back to the code. Yeah, I just edit line. College students and standard price book having. I click on save. Okay, this is the empty code line page before adding any products inside that by using, and these are all the code information provided for and the creating stage. Okay, first I click add product to add a new product. See, here we have only one product. Now you can understand why it's showing a only one product, because I am choosing a price book of college students, but the pricing of we have only one product for this under this price book, so that only is showing here. Okay. Now I I will show you the list price of it. Here it shows as $100, right? But that standard price book is having $150. This is how the price book is differs. We are using to provide discounts or a particular product pricing for depends on different business units. Okay. Now I go back and change this to the standard price book because the standard price book is having a multiple products. Okay. Yes. Okay, I open other new all accounts. Now this opportunity is settled with college price book. So I have to create a new code for this. I already have a contact and one open. Yeah, for all of you, you are having this kind of accounts and related opportunities. You can easy to play regardless of spending time on creating these opportunities and accounts from the scratch. Okay, I create a new opportunity of sale to standard pricing. Standard pricing, and as I said, close date is required, and stage is prospecting. It was the beginning of the sale. Here is our opportunity, and we start creating a code of it. Shall not require. Now the code gets created. On edit line, we can choose our add product. Yeah, here I go back to the standard price book. Now this is the UI of adding that code and its product. I click on add product. Okay. In add product, you can see a multiple range of products pre-builtly installed for our developer, or these are all the products, and you can access using this filter by getting the specific product using these filters and all. Okay. And then I want to go back to the slide and explain about these bundled product bundle. What is product bundle? As the name denotes, it was a bundling of products. Like I want to buy one PC. If I want to buy a PC, PC is just a term, but it includes multiple products like monitors, keyboards, mouse, and other accessories like cables and Windows OS is with the add-on it as a subscription. Microsoft Office is add-on as a subscription. So it's like a fully packed bundle, right? This is called a bundled product. Here you can see the products are 4K video camera in hardware. Okay, I click just to only one product here. Let's see what will be in backside. See, here it will show the what are all the other child products regarding to. This is the role of our CPQ developer to configure this kind of thing. I will show how this will be categorized on 4K video camera. I am choosing this camera mount and microphones, video editor license, this kind of, these are all the child products of bundle. How we are getting this? Okay, because this we have to do this because if we directly provided to the sales rep and they don't know which is a compactable product for this compactable item. So we have to pre-build this product and the child product. Okay. Yeah. Here we are seeing 4K video camera. I will show where it was configured. We have 4K video camera. Currently, I am on list recently viewed tab. If you can't see, you can see it in all products. Okay. I clicked on 4K video camera. Okay. How I can find this is the master product, right? Because all other products here showing is are all child products I said this is the master product. How can I categorize this? Okay. These are all the two fields configure type allowed and configure event is always. What it denotes is configure type is allowed is this product should be configurable. Whenever I choose this product, it will go for a, this is the configuration screen. It will be visible. Okay. So it will be show only for a bundled product. Then now the 4K video camera is a bundled product. Now where can I add the child product? Okay. In related tab, you can see features and options. As we have saying the child product, here it was represented as an option. Okay. Now you can see here camera mount, microphone, and video editor. These are all the child components. If I want to add furthermore, I click a new button, option FQ. This is also a lookup of product because it might be a parent product or child product, but it is a product only, right? Now I have choosing cloud storage 1 GB. Okay. I added this and this would becomes, we already have 4, it will be 5th product. If I choose it was a selected, what it will be? See, when I clicked on next button itself, it automatically pre-selected, okay? Because in product option, we have a selected field. Whenever I enabled this, it was auto selected on the screen whenever you are come here, okay? And then required means we can't uncheck. Whenever you buy a 4K video camera, you always choose this product as a required product. Okay. Quantity, this is the default quantity. If you didn't provide anything, it will be a 1, or else you can make it as a 5 quantity as a default. We can do that. Okay. Feature is just like a placeholder of this category. In here you are seeing as a basic is a feature. I want to see this under the specific feature. You can add a lookup with this. I want to add a I want to create a new feature from here itself, like the name is cloud products, minimum one quantity, and search products. Okay, video camera. This is a bundled product under which options we can see this. Okay, the number is first one of this. Sorry, yeah, first one of this product and option selection method. Click add dynamic. What is difference between click add is now we are having a click is displaying as radio buttons and add it will shows like a checkbox. That's only the difference. Okay. These are I will explain about this dynamic options. Okay, because it was covers under the product. Now I choose a category. No need to choose for now. I just click a save. Okay, now I created a for a cloud and 5 unit as default. Minimum it should be 5. We will restrict the user to, you have to provide minimum of 5. For example, if I want to buy some screws and all, that time I have a 5 is necessary, right? So I can make the time, and maximum how much we can allow is here. I provided that 10. These are all the pricing configuration. We can see on pricing section. I just clicking on save. Okay, I saved now. I just refresh this and try to add this product again. Now I add the same product. The name is 4K video camera. Select. See, here I can see the new category called cloud, right? I was configured as a cloud. This is the first one I have provided as the order number, so it comes as the first. And as I made this option, yeah, every option is related to any one of the features. Okay, now I will show this. Yeah, this is our feature. I am opening this option. This was related to particular feature, right? That's why you are showing like under cloud. We have one, as we have provided. It was a required, so I can't uncheck this. And the quantities I made just 5. It shows as a 5. Okay, these are all the things it's happening under this, and then I click on save. Okay. Yeah. Now in our code, we have added the three products. Only the master product as a parent product, only this kind of having configuration. What are all this tool is doing? Sometimes if I mistakenly added this product, I want to remove this from this list. I want to go back to the configuration screen, right? To customize this again. Here I have a tool icon. I whenever clicking on this, I again go back to here. Okay. Yes. Now I have go back to here and I can add whatever I want. I can customize the quantity. If I want to disable the user to avoid editable quantity, quantity editable is false and true. It will mean quantity is need to edit or not. Okay. Now we go back to our slide. As I said, it's a parent bundle. The parent bundle is bundle itself. Okay. 4K video camera is the parent bundle here. And options. Options is, I said it was a child product. These are all the products in bundled contribute to bundled price. You can consider the children of bundled pair. An option doesn't contribute to bundled product if they are selected bundled checkbox. Okay. Here you are saying the bundled checkbox, right? I will show you in options where it is bundled checkbox. Okay, here is the option control. Okay, bundled. If I make it as a bundle, okay, why this bundled is comes under pricing? Because if I made it as a bundled equal to true, it was in this pricing is included with the bundled product itself, right? As I said previously, if I buy a monitor, if monitor is having some stand is the product option. If I enable this bundle equal to true, what it means is the stand is included, stand cost is included with the bundled product. So it was comes under the pricing tab. Whenever I click on save, we didn't bother about the pricing of this because it was included with the product. That's what you are saying. Okay. Now features. Feature is, as I said, it was a grouping of option. You can set a minimum quantity and maximum quantity and all. And then we have a option constraint. Okay. Option constraints we can see later. Now we have a subscription product. Okay. Subscription product. Well, as I said previously, we have a one-time product. It's called perpetual product. Perpetual product and the other product is called subscription product. How it was differs from both. Here I am opening one subscription product. I will say why it's called subscription product. It was cloud storage of 1 TB. It's like iCloud storage of 1 TB. Just imagine like that. It is an rental basis, right? For every year you have to pay for this cloud storage, right? So this is a subscription product as a software. I will show where I configured it was a subscription product. Okay, here we have some field to capture subscription pricing. If I provide some values in subscription pricing and the subscription term, it will make this product as subscription product. Okay, I clicked on edit and show what are all the different types of subscription products. Fixed price and percentage of total. Okay, pricing method is, yeah, list price cost. List price pricing method is a list price. Here it was applied like getting a standard price book cost from here. Cost is just like we can manually provide a clause cost and block pricing. If I made it as a block pricing and in related list we can see block prices. See what are the fields is asked in block prices. Okay, block prices is like setting a range of quantities. If I buy it with then 1 to 10 products, the cost is this, and the 20 to 30 cost will be this. Above this, it will be this. This kind of configuration we are doing using this block pricing thing. Okay. Now I will show the entire process of subscription, how we are handling the, because the CPQ is not only for creating and generating a code, it's not over from there. We have to renewal, right? After 1 year, the customer license may expire. We need to reinitiate our sales process and remind them to achieve this opportunity again to improve our sales. Okay. Now I will create one, yeah, sales. Okay. I believe it was contained every opportunity. You can create a multiple codes for their reference. We can provide it, but only one code under this opportunity should be primary. This is the final code they are accepting. Treated like that. Okay, I just click on save. Now we don't have any product because in not it saved. I just added one subscription and one bundled product. This is a bundled product and cloud storage 1 GB subscription product. Apply rules. Okay. Now I click a save. Yeah, we have a calculate button for this. This calculate button and all we are using on pricing rules. Once we will teach about the pricing rules, I will show how the calculate button is working. The quick save is like, if I click a quick save, the page is in same page after saving. And if I click on save, it will go back to our code. Now I have quoted with some products. I will show the code document, final code document of it. Yeah, in the related list link you are seeing we have a 4-line items here. I click a preview document. In this preview document, you can see what are all the products you are quoted, and you can download it or directly send it to your mail to the customer. Yeah, so all the product I have added. This is the pricing of this each product and all. These are the terms and conditions. See, now we can easily customize each and every content in the code document, right? Because we have a different company name for our organization, address may vary, and we need to show the different columns. For example, I need to add one more column to show this, I need to customize this, and all the terms and conditions may vary. We can easily customize this code under we have a one another object in sales. These are all the features only available for CPQ. Without CPQ managed package, you can't do all of these things. Code template. I will show the code template. Yeah, here is a code template. I will detailedly explain it in future. This is a code template. In this related list, you can see line columns, water quantity and the product. These are all the columns you are seeing from there. And then yeah, these are all the contents I can see from here. All content. Okay, based on these columns we can add a new content and the sections. In sections you can create a new section to say the terms and condition and attach the document along with this. You can do all these things in customizing the code template, which was rendering based on this configuration. Okay, now I go back to our sales process. Now quoting is done, products are getting added. The next one is, okay, before that I will show about the product rule. Okay, I open this slide. Product rule. What is product rule? Actually, what is the purpose of using the product rule? Product rule is work like based on some condition. I want to restrict the sales rep to allowing the save or alert the user to alert the sales rep. You can't make this combination proceed further. Like alert we can do, and we have a selection rule. Selection rule is if I select this product, I also can choose this product automatically, or I need to hide some products from that add product screen. This kind of things are using this product rule. I will quickly show one product rule. Product rule. Okay. Now I already created one sample product rule here. In product rule, this is the rule of that name. You can provide whatever you want, and type should, there are different types, like four types. Okay, first one is validation, selection, and alert. Validation and alert are both are similar kind of things. Validation is completely restricting on saving, but alert is it shows as a warning, but you can proceed and save further. Okay, and selection is like I want to add this product automatically, or I want to remove this product automatically on based some conditions. We can make it like this. And the filter is like on add product screen we are seeing multiple products, right? But in filter type of product rule we can configure only limited products I can see from there. Automatically rules are applied from the backend based on some product content. Okay, I will explain in detail on each and every topic while I am checking. First I will, now today I will explain about this validation. I will open the validation. Yeah, I have already created a one role with validation. Conditions met. I will come to the condition met later. This is the error message. As I said, validation is throwing a error. Here is the error message. It should be sales rep understandable message. I have provided like sales cloud storage not be sold for an account with healthcare industry. Okay. Now I need to set the condition for that, right? Here this is the error message, but it will trigger only on specific condition. Okay. For that, I have here is a related list of error condition. In error condition, I can create a new error condition. In this error condition, you can choose tested object on which object field you are just comparing. We are adding a specific products in quote line, that each and every product in quote is called the quote line. Okay. If I want to add a quote line with product quote, it denotes like the quote line which contains cloud storage. It's one of the conditions. Okay. Yeah, quote line with this is the API name of the product. Okay, where you can see this API name is, click on a setup. If you already aware of Salesforce admins and all, this is the basic of Salesforce. I will show you again to it. Okay. Quote line tested field is product code. Why I choose the product code and why it is in that format. I open a quote line. This is the object manager. It contains all the objects. Quote line fields and relationships. You can see the what are all the fields is in quote line. I need a product code, right? Product code. This is the product code. It holds the value of the top specific product unique identifying code. Okay. This is the API name of that. I need to copy this. Okay. And then verify. This will be the tested variable here. I have product. Suppose I want to add further new things, like I want to add a product family, but it's not displaying here, right? That time we just copy this product family, and this is comes under error condition. This is the error condition. This is the object name. I go to error condition. Okay, fields and relationships. Okay, on which field I need to add? This field called tested field, right? Tested field. I just typed a tested field. I need to add a new value inside this field. You scroll down below. These are all the fields showing there. Okay, I click a new button to add a new field. Product brand. Okay, here we have multiple values, but they are only showing only product policy. You know why? Because this is a dependent pixel. That means I will show you here. Whenever I click on quote line, this field only displays. If I change this to code, the values may vary. Okay, how I will customize? For every pick list field, there is a controlling field. There is a target object, right? I click a change button on here. You can choose for code this are the values you can display. For code lines, I need to choose this one. Click on this and click include values and click a save. Now I reload this page and let the values are okay. Now I click the edit. See our new value field is here. The product family is like hardware and software. What are all if now I for our demo I choose the product code, and product code is load storage one. This is the one of the condition of product rule to trigger that validation. And then not for all code we are restricting this cloud storage, only for account industry is in healthcare because it was irrelevant of that user. So as I said, for a quote line, I added another condition for a quote object with account industry field value equal to healthcare. It shows the validity. Okay. For this example, I open this quote again. Opportunity, second standard. Okay. The name denotes it was account with industry. Find the industry. Industry field is currently Apple. Now I change it to health club. Health club. I click on save. I create a new opportunity for this validation. Check product role validation. Locate. I will create a new code. I will add a cloud storage now. Let's see what happens. Only the standard price was having multiple products, so I am choosing this one for now. Adding a new product by this button, and in my price role we are using error condition of object cloud storage, right? Product code equal to cloud storage. Yeah, cloud storage. Here, where is this cloud? Here is the cloud storage. I clicked on save, select, and I click on save. See, it's not allowed to save. This is the power of the product rule for validation type. Okay. Now we can quickly confirm this error conditions are satisfied. The first condition is if code line, as I was said before, each and every product under this code or code line product code is cloud storage. Yeah, it's cloud storage. And then what's another condition is the account industry. Account industry on port object. I go to the port object of this port. In port object, I mean account industry equal to health cloud. Is value equal to healthcare. Sorry, the condition both the conditions are satisfied. So it triggers this product rule and shows this message. Okay. On this kind of things, we have a multiple type of not only we are hard coding some values only make it as a condition, we also made it as a variable to get a count of something, and using the filter variable to create a summary variable. It's like getting a count. If I am having the cloud storage is more than 2, then only I can fire this sum of cloud storage. This is a summary variable. As the name suggests, it was returning the data type of count, sum, and average. Target is port line. Field product code equal to filter values cloud storage. Then uh, based on quantity aggregation, sum of quantity. It means if I have a multiple code lines with the same product one, first with two quantities and two quantities, it will aggregated with all the quantity. It will return the summary value of sum of cloud equal to 4. Okay. On the time, you can mention it here like, for example, you are seeing this value returns 4. So you are made it as a variable. It will, you can show the error when they are providing greater than 4. That time this error should be fired. You can configure this kind of dynamic things also from here. Okay. Yeah. I go back to this slide. We will cover later sessions about the selection rules and all. In our course, we are covering the multiple CPQ topics. Most of the things. First thing is DevOps setup. As I show you the DevOps installation guide and setting a permission rule setups and license assignments. We can do it, and you can see how the codes are creating, and product configuration involves product bundling, features, option constraints. We can see in later sessions, and configure attributes, product rules. We have a 4 types. I covered one type today. You can see the again custom actions, custom action guidance, selling pricing method. These are all other key topics of CPQ. We will cover in later section. Add on with that the discount schedule. This is one of the topic we can cover later. CPQ is a special fields is pre-built with some backend configuration. I will show what are all the fields and why we are using these fields in later. Pricing model is important in CPQ for an advanced level, because we are providing a discount on various matrices like manual discount and partner discount and discounts based on some calculations and all. We need to know which discounts fall first and which discounts applied seconds, right? This kind of contents are available under pricing waterfall model. We will cover all this in future. Yeah, we will start implementing for one of the scenarios like automotive industries and their product configurations and rules, and one of the electronics industries and products and the rules we can configure and creating a porting for that. For this electronic industry, it was involved some software product as a subscription. I will show you about what is the renewal of the subscription. There is another format called contracting and amending the existing code and contract. I will explain it to you, and we will both work it together for your understanding and use cases to help to complete this third project as a task force. Okay. Yeah, for this entire session, you don't need of any high-end configuration of laptops and tool and any paid software. Nothing else needed. You just need a laptop with a good internal amount of speed and any browser. It's good to have a Chrome browser. We can work with. It's highly enough for this session. Here is a course material for this. Uh, Salesforce is providing some documents for learning the CPQ. You can access from here. You can access here by logging in into trial.salesforce.com. There you can see each and every topic as a documenting list. This is the URL for creating a new developer or with pre-installed CPQ app for your training. Thank you. That's it from my end.